Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I'm out here today at a PCSL two-gun match, which is essentially USPSA, but done with a rifle and a pistol. Now, they do allow pistol caliber carbines, so I have decided today to bring H&R/PSA's new 9mm, well, it's a Colt 633 clone, the Department of Energy gun used by basically nuclear weapon transportation security troops. They're seriously hardcore bad dudes. And at one point in the 1980s, they're pretty much the only people who actually bought some of these. Now, this is supposed to be a two-gun match, but I'm really only interested in shooting this thing. And you know what? A lot of people have a negative expectation of PSA. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to shoot only this carbine. I've got some 32 and some 25 round mags for it. If it goes down at some point and malfunctions, then I will switch to my pistol, which I have brought something I figured would be reasonably appropriate as a 1980s counterpart, a very generic Beretta 92. So if all goes well, I won't ever have to load or touch that thing, and we'll just have a whole lot of fun with the 633 clone. We'll see how effective it is on, I mean, if it's going to be effective on anything, it would be high speed, low drag, up close, big paper targets, which is what this PCSL match is all about. So let's dive right in. Stage number one.
All right, let's rock and roll. All right, shoot your load, make ready.
Point.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
I have no idea what I've shot or haven't shot. We'll call that good.
All right, it finished. Unload, show clear.
Not bad. It's kind of fun. Totally lost track of what targets I'd shot and what I hadn't, but yeah, yes. Also, the springiness and the sun kind of in my eyes really did hinder target acquisition, so I suspect my actual scores are probably not very good, but we'll see.
Yeah, but the Val Kilmer heat reload was heat. Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by. It finished. Unload. Show clear.
That was fun. And it's still working. Still working. Ready?
Stand by.
Oh no!
Your magazine fell out.
That's a problem. Thank you. I'm not counting that as a failure of the gun because I was reloading it on a closed bolt and I just didn't jam the mag in hard enough, and so first recoil, it bloop, falls out. That's on me. That's not on the gun. That's why you wait until it locks open to reload, or you do a more serious tap tug.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by. I just finished 2 loads. Go clear. 5.7.
Not bad.
I robbed him. 5.9, 5.2.
And it ran all the way. All right, that was quite a lot of fun. PSA/H&R 633 clone ran the entire time, so I never actually needed to transition to my Beretta, which is nice because this was a lot more fun than the Beretta would have been. One mishap reloading, but that was on me. That's not sufficiently seating a magazine under a closed bolt. That's not the gun's fault. Like, it ran great. It's certainly not a competition sort of gun. It's bouncy and springy, and you know, the sight picture's fine, but not like amazing. But was actually more practically accurate than I expected. There were a lot of targets up close where I just said, screw it, instinctive aim, and made double alpha hits. So definitely the sort of gun that I would bring to a PCSL match like this. There's really only one challenge in a match like this, and that's trying to not miss one of the targets they've hidden behind some barrels somewhere. And frankly, when I don't see those and don't shoot at them, you can't see it either on camera, so it doesn't matter. Score-wise, if it wasn't for the, I don't know what, probably roughly 60 procedurals from shooting pistol targets with the carbine, if it wasn't for that, I would still be fairly low in the scores because the people shooting this are much more serious with huge muzzle brakes and very flat shooting soft 9mm carbines, or even 5.56s that shoot a lot smoother than this thing. But this was all sorts of fun. If you're interested in one of these, I mean, I'd recommend it. I think the price is reasonable for the sort of historical piece that they're making. The quality seems to be good to me. Like, this one's run without any issues for me whatsoever. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.